Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to unban someone on Discord. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unban it. So first of all, open your Discord server where you want to unban someone, and after opening that actual server, click on this arrow icon and then click on server settings and scroll down to the left hand side and you'll find this bans option. Click on it and here you'll find your all the ban people list, and use this search box to search any user from ban list. To unban someone, simply click above the account and then click on Revoke Ban, and this is how we can unban someone on Discord. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unban it. Thank you for watching.